To start to develop for ADX Studio for Microsoft Dynamics CRM is to install ADX Studio Portal. You can download their installation file from their website. So like on this page you can find the latest MSI and in a previous there are many previous versions available there as well. You can also apply for a temporary license at the moment by emailing their sales team. So once you installed, you can find ADX Studio folder inside your program files, x86, and inside. So to develop, the best way is to start from an example project. You can find an example project in the examples folder, and this project and solution file is what you need. So I already have it open in Visual Studio like this. So the first thing you need to do is open the web config file, and you need to configure the CRM connection string to connect to a CRM instance. I have configured it to connect to a CRM online instance, and there's one step I skipped, is to install the CRM solution files, ADX Studio CRM solution files to into the CRM instance. You can find you can also find those CRM solutions inside the installation folder. So if you go to the portal, you will find the customizations folder, and inside components you can pick and choose. I think there's a few. Yeah, there's a README file too. There's a few like the core. There's some solutions you need to install compulsory. It's a compulsory to install some of the solutions, but for the others it can be optional. Anyway, long story short, so if you click on the menu, scroll to the right a little bit, you can find this portal area, and inside of this you can see websites, and this is the container for a portal. So you can have community portal, customer portal, partner portal, and other portals. This is just a definition of it. So one way to connect to it is so after you configure the CRM connection string, you need to configure the portal configuration settings. So to connect to the website, you just need to tell CRM by change the tell the portal, say I want to link my website to this ADX Studio Portal definition. So I just did that. So yeah. So once I done that, and all you need to do now is to run just to run the website. So should connect to the customer portal. So yeah, so once this set up, you can start your customization. Like you can this is the consequence of not having an active license, but it's alright. I just need to refresh it. It just give you kind of this is just a nagging message. It will disappear if you refresh the page. So what I want to say is, so from this point on, you can start to develop for ADX Studio. You can add a page template, your own page template. You also can have your own areas. There's I will record other videos, screencasts regarding those component or those areas of ADX Studio development. So as you can see, the customer portal has been loaded, but there's another way to do it. Actually, it's my favorite as well at the moment. Is to remove this. So ADX Studio then will rely on some configuration settings inside CRM. So that setting is called website bindings. So if I go to portal again, go to website binding. So this is the binding setting record I set up. So this basically says if any requests come in to this CRM instance, I will render the partner portal, not the customer portal. So so if you have, for example, your website, or you have a website set up anywhere, you should put in here. So ADX Studio will match the URL, match the hostname inside the URL with the the hostname inside the request with the hostname inside this setting. Then it will figure out which website actually need to be rendered. But at the moment, because I'm doing development and I'm using IS Express, so there's some limitations with IS Express. So I basically say no matter where it's coming from, so no matter what hostname is coming from the request, I will just render this partner portal. So it's good enough for dev environment to get me started. So since I already removed the website attribute inside the portal setting of the web config file, I just do a quick demonstration. So if I refresh this page, hopefully it didn't need me to refresh the cache. It should render the partner portal instead, like in this setting file says. Voila! So as you can see, partner portal has been rendered. So from there on, you can, if you want to develop for other portal, all you need to do is change in the website you want to develop for. So all you need to do. There's just 3 portals for me at the moment. So hopefully you enjoy this short video. Hopefully you find it helpful with your ADX Studio development. Thank you for watching. Bye.